And welcome to the Hik Player video. I'm going to show you a few options here where you can manipulate the videos as well as just viewing them. One important thing to do first perhaps is to set the capture path for stills, so you'll be able to find them easier again. Now if we go to the options button, we go down to set pick path. Here we can choose a folder to actually save all the pictures in. Now if we choose C drive and capture, click OK, and now any further files will be saved there. Now if you watch the Hik Playback demonstration, you will have seen we downloaded a file actually onto the local hard drive. Now we're going to go and play that back. So click File and Open. We're actually in the file there. The file is actually saved as an IP address and date and time. This is done automatically by the software. If we go up, we can see the folders already there for other downloads are all in date order. So we can pick any date and go through the files that are there. If we click on that one, here we go, now we can watch the video we downloaded. You can see it's slightly smoother than the one played over the internet. And if we stop that around about now, we will use another file and we will play that to actually demonstrate the rest of the features of the standalone player and what we can do with it. Right, now we have a 14-second long clip here. We go through some of the basic options. File, we have a normal open file and close file. We have also a cut file command. Here we can actually shorten the video. This is a 14-second long video, 356 frames. If we're only interested in a certain amount, we can cut it by frame or time. Just say we're going to do it by time. Let's have it start at 10 seconds and end at 14 seconds. That will give us a 4-second clip, which we can save as test. Option, choose full screen, or you can choose the video size. Had it at 50%, we move it up to 100%, and let's move it up to 200. Now for this we'll leave it at 50. Now the next option is designed for twin monitors. It's slightly difficult to show you, we're going to just leave that at 50% and move it over to the side. If we click View again, and we go to Multi-Display, this will give us a second window, which at the moment is showing the same as the first. Move this toggle along, you'll see the original screen zooms in. And now we can move the square around, and actually play that square, actually view everything that moved in that square. Stop that so we can move the square anywhere around the video and play back any portion of it magnified. Click default, we'll go back to a full screen. If we turn off that, and now we'll need to actually stop the playback. We can view other options on this tab. Should you have more than one graphics device, you can actually pick and choose which will show the display. The next tab shows a list of commands and also video control. With this we can alter the video for playback. You'll need to click forward or backwards to actually show the changes. We've added more contrast and more brightness. Now we'll turn it into black and white, and if we can press reset, go back, we're back to normal. Now if we click the other options, most of these we haven't really got time to go through. We will have a quick look at the image sharpening command. Now if we remove the video just, this will put back the multi-screen and zoom in. If we use the square up there, and play that and get a picture we're happy with. Now keep an eye on this point here. If we select image sharpening again, we go for the highest. Now for this we'll have to go backwards and forwards, or forwards and backwards. And you can see the image has changed. Now if we take it back to none, same forwards, backwards, backwards, forwards, you can see the image has become blurred. Playing about with the different options, you can clean up the image quite well. Simple program. Now if we default that again and cancel the multi-screen. There are several other options. Most of these we'd need to go through in quite a bit of detail to get the most out of them. A quick view of them. Will know the meanings behind these. Still capture we've seen set up earlier. It can be either a bitmap or a JPEG. Also a command to convert to AVI. And we do have our own program that will actually convert to AVI or Windows Media. The button down here saves the capture. We can look now at the actual shortcut commands from the keyboard. Now, these are useful, as we'll see in the full screen in a second. Now if we click OK, put the video back to the beginning, click the full screen, and now using the spacebar we can start the video. Stop it. The arrow keys move the video forwards a frame at a time, or in this case backwards a frame at a time. And we can go right back to the beginning of the video and play from the start. And now if we exit the full screen, that's the end of the demonstration. Any questions, please do contact us, and we'll do our best to answer you. And thank you very much for watching.